There are two important concepts to consider when planning an Agile program. The first is change is inevitable and programs must be able to deal with change. And the second is the experience of executing plans will change future ones. These concepts imply that planning needs to be iterative and incremental, must see the vision for the longer term, and delivery must be divided into increments to realize benefits as early as possible. Plans must also prioritize delivery based on the relative value of benefits and on interdependencies. The immediate future must be planned in some detail. The mid and long term have an outline too, knowing that it'll change. It's important to know you must review and update plans based on experience of delivery and on the current business landscape. It may seem unusual to some program managers that not everything is planned and defined up front. If this is the case, it's impossible to plan everything up front. It's not possible to define all benefits and projects for a program during program foundations. It's important to remember that a clear focus on developing a coherent set of capabilities that support the vision and business architecture model is also required. In order to be able to plan for increments, it'll be necessary to determine how the desired organizational state can be partitioned or decomposed to enable incremental delivery of capabilities and the consequent realization of benefits. A set of interim states are identified that move the organization from its current situation to the envisaged final state. Each interim state can then be reached by a subset of the program or tranche. Each interim state will need to be self-consistent, as well as providing benefits to the organization. There are horizontal and vertical approaches to this. The horizontal approach is that interim states affect the whole organization. The delivered capabilities can be used by, and affect as well, benefit the whole organization, but don't complete the vision of the program. The vertical approach is for interim states that concentrate on parts of the organization. These delivered capabilities can be used by a subset of the organization.